business.
Unfortunately, I think it's almost a deja vu. I mean, I think we saw ourselves in this same predicament last year, where everybody was looking towards the budget for changes and further cuts and higher taxes, and confidence was really waning, I think. And we expected going into this year that it would be quite a flat year and could be very tough. But fortunately, we've continued to grow significantly.
We've risen to the challenge this year. We've got more in our armoury now than we've ever had before. So I think if we can make use of that and make our customers make use of that, then the future's is brighter than the statistics would suggest.
There'll be further investment in machinery and equipment on the panels, creating potentially more capacity as well. We've been existing on a single shift for the past 5 years since COVID, but we are getting to that point where we're going to have to introduce more capacity to meet with the demands that we're seeing, and hopefully with Security Core and the new designs, we see that getting even better.
It's still a really challenging market out of that. On top of that, as I say, you've got more door products and you've got more competitors in a saturated market than ever before. So, it's how you differentiate yourselves and what you're doing to support those customers, and it's those companies that will really maintain or grow as we have been doing.
And of course there's an opportunity to diversify into markets that have previously been unavailable to us, certainly with the panel product.
Absolutely.